Welcome. Today, we're diving into a popular topic among Roblox players: how to change your gender on Roblox. With frequent updates and new features, let's walk through the latest steps to make this change easily on your Android device. First, open the Roblox app on your Android device. If you're not already logged in, do that now so we can get started. Next, look for the three dots at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tapping these dots will open up the menu where you can access various settings. Once the menu is open, go ahead and select Settings. This is where you can manage your account details and preferences. Now, you'll want to tap on Account Info. This section contains all the personal information linked to your Roblox account, including your display name and gender settings. Scroll down until you find the Gender section. Here, you'll see options to choose your preferred gender representation. Finally, make your change. Select your desired gender, and once you're happy with your choice, confirm it. And just like that, you've adjusted your gender on Roblox. Remember, this change is a reflection of how you want to express yourself in the game, so take your time and choose what feels right for you. That's it for today. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy gaming,